Hi, what's up Reef Finance holder? What's going on? Today video is very important for all the Reef Finance holder because remember this time you can see here 14.31% refinance price is increased now. So first of all, congratulations for that. And after that, my friends, we will predicate this coin for in upcoming 3 days. The first 3 days of October is going 100% very good now. And in the start of month, if you check out my prediction video, so I clearly told you to upcoming 3 days they will pump out. So this time you can see here the result is on the screen now, my friend. And I will give you, my friend, 100% guarantee to what I taught you in upcoming 3 days today. Absolutely, it's going also true now. So please must watch this video completely to understand better. To in upcoming 3 days, they will move upward, they will fail down. My friends, my prediction is absolutely also proved this now, my friend. To upcoming time the price will thumbs up and which time, my friend, they will hit now. So this time you can see here, my friend, the highest price of refinance is 0.02 USD dollar. They were, my friends, hit now 0.021 USD. So that's mean they will make a highest target. They will recover already lost now and they will moving and upward and they will make something new highest target now. So let's see, my brothers, what they do. But my prediction is 100% going positive because, my brother, absolutely you can see here in the previous days they will completely fail down. So I'm 100% sure to after a dump every coin will pumps up. So therefore after a very long dump, my friend, you can see here they were starting pumping, and especially when short-term investors are starting holding. So that's clear, my friends, to the price will pumping up. And my friend, absolutely all holders are said, my friends, to we are going to my friends hold now and go to invest more and more to the price will pump up. So I know, my friends, to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So why you will miss this chance? Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. See you next time, refinance holder. Please like video and also subscribe this channel.